Welcome back to the channel today. The 2026 Toyota Camry XSE is here redefining what a midsize sedan can be with its fresh design, advanced performance, and upgraded technology. Toyota has taken the Camry's reputation for reliability and wrapped it in a more aggressive and luxurious package that's sure to turn heads. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Camry XSE features a bold new front fascia with a sleeker grille, sharper LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines that flow seamlessly from front to back. The redesigned rear end gives it a sportier stance, highlighted by a subtle rear spoiler and quad exhaust tips that hint at the power beneath the hood. The 19-inch alloy wheels and the available two-tone paint options make this sedan look more like a premium sports car than your average commuter. Under the hood, Toyota offers an impressive powertrain lineup. The XSE trim is powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing around 275 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This engine delivers smooth acceleration with plenty of low-end torque for confident highway passing. The steering feels sharper than before, and the suspension has been tuned for a balance between comfort and sportiness, giving you excellent control without sacrificing ride quality. With improved aerodynamics, the Camry XSE achieves better fuel efficiency, offering up to 33 miles per gallon combined, making it ideal for both city and long-distance driving. Inside, the 2026 Camry XSE feels like a step into luxury. The cabin combines high-quality materials with modern design, featuring a large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster and ambient lighting add a futuristic touch, while the red leather sports seats give it an energetic and premium vibe. Toyota has also focused on quietness, improving insulation to reduce road and winds noise. The cabin is spacious, offering plenty of legroom for both front and rear passengers, and the trunk space remains generous for daily use or travel. When it comes to price, the 2026 Toyota Camry XSE starts around $34,000, with fully loaded models reaching close to $40,000 depending on options. It's an excellent value considering its performance, luxury features, and reliability. Overall, the 2026 Camry XSE is not just a sedan. It's a bold statement that Toyota is pushing the boundaries of style, comfort, and driving excitement. If you're looking for a perfect blend of sportiness and sophistication, this new Camry deserves your attention. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.